Okay, our closing story. One character, all 3 words, living naturally in a human life.
His name is Theo. 3 years ago, Theo decided to change his life. He had already tried once before and it hadn't worked, but he was still willing to try again. He hadn't found the right path yet, but he hadn't stopped looking.
In the first year, he changed jobs. He had already been unhappy for so long that the change felt like breathing for the first time in years. He was still nervous, the new was still uncomfortable, but he was still there, still showing up, every day.
In the second year, he had already made new friends, people who saw him differently, or maybe the same, but now he was ready to be seen. He hadn't yet fully let go of who he used to be. That still took time. It still does, even now.
But when someone asked him recently, "Are you happy?" he thought about it, really thought, and he said, "I'm still figuring it out. I haven't arrived yet, but I have already come so far, I can barely see where I started from."
Already tried, still willing, not found the path yet. Already changed, still nervous, still showing up. Already made new friends, not yet let go. Still takes time. Still figuring it out, not arrived yet. Already come so far.
That is a life, a whole, real, moving human life told in 3 small words: still, yet, already. Continuation, expectation, completion. 3 colors of time. And your life has all 3 too.
Silence is more dangerous than a wrong sentence, always. And if you use the wrong word sometimes, still when you meant yet, already when you meant still, the world doesn't end. The person understands you, and you're one step closer to feeling the difference.
Making a mistake is not a crime. It's not even close to a crime. It's evidence that you are speaking, and speaking is always the right choice.
Not perfect, but confident every single time.
English is not a test, it's a tool, and still, yet, already, 3 of its most human, most honest, most feelable little pieces.
Quick recap before we say goodbye. Still, something continues. It was true, it is true, it hasn't changed or stopped, ongoing. Yet, something is expected, but has not happened, lives in negative sentences and questions, needs the dark sky of not to shine. Already, something is done, finished, happened sooner or more than expected, lives in positive sentences, carries surprise.
Still and yet can be friends, still and already are opposites. Not yet is one of the most hopeful phrases in English. It holds the door open.
And you, right now, have already learned something today. You're still on your journey, and the best parts have not arrived yet.
All 3. Right there, in one true sentence about you.
If today gave you that click, that, "Oh, finally, I feel the difference" moment, please share this episode, subscribe, leave a comment, tell us your 3 sentences. You're still, you're yet, you're already. We want to hear them.
We genuinely do. Thank you to the subscriber who inspired today's episode. You froze at 3 words, and in doing so, you gave everyone listening the clarity they were also quietly looking for. That's a generous thing, even if you didn't know you were doing it.
Until next time.
Still going.
Not perfect yet.